everybody, and welcome to another episode of Make It Monday with me, your host, Laura Buechler from Inkyfingers Papercrafting. I'm coming to you live just as I do every Monday because creativity is fun, creativity is good for us, and creativity is for everyone. Yes, even you right now, if you're seeing this, creativity is for you. You don't have to be great at it. You just get to have fun. That's what it's all about. So I apologize for the camera video quality on my face today. I couldn't get my fancy camera to work, so I'm using my less fancy backup camera. But what's important is that our beautiful card camera looks just as sharp as always. So with that, let's introduce my fabulous co-host, Stevie, who's going to take away this card. Stevie will be back at the end of the video to give that card away to a lucky winner. So don't forget to stick around for that. And yes, let's make my face small and the desk big and get to some crafting. We are using quite a different array of products today. I have got a beautiful brand new stamp set. This is from the Spring Mini Catalog, which is coming out on January 7th. This is called Birthday Celebration. And we're just using one stamp here, which is the Make-A-Wish stamp. I've got some beautiful silver and white ribbon. I've got the Labeled with Love punch. And most importantly, I have got some stunning designer series paper. Now, I really want to show this to you in all its detail, but I know you want me to get started with the crafting, so I'll do that first, and then we'll get into it with the beautiful paper. So, simple card. This Serene Love paper is a monochromatic paper, meaning it just has one color on it. This particular page happens to be Night of Navy is the color. And of course, it's got designs, two different designs on, what am I trying to say? A different design on each side. That's what I'm trying to say. So I've cut these 3 strips down, and I'm going to decide which order I want them in and which side I want to show. And I kind of like that one and that one. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to attach them to this piece of basic white cardstock. So who is out there watching today? Say hello and tell me where you're tuning in from. While you do that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this gorgeous designer paper. As I said, it's called Serene Love, and it is not in any of our catalogs. It can only be found online. If you go to inkyfingers.ca/online, there we go. That's where you're going to see all of our online exclusive products. Now, they're called online exclusives simply because they are exclusively available to view online, not in a catalog. And there are more and more products that Stampin' Up is releasing as online exclusives. So this beautiful paper is one of them. And what I love about this paper, I mean, I always love a monochromatic paper. I love all these beautiful designs. They actually released this paper pack a couple of years ago. I can't remember what it was called, but it was all black and white. These same gorgeous designs, but all in black and white. And now they have released it again, recolored. And this time the colors are Night of Navy, as we're seeing here, Old Olive, and Lost Lagoon. So we're going to see, I'll show you, when I show you the whole paper pack, you will see those other beautiful colors. And what I found really cool about it, I mean, you know, I'm all about the paper, right? I love me some designer series paper. But one of the things that I loved about it is that the Night of Navy pages have different designs from the Lost Lagoon pages, which have different designs from the Old Olive pages. So you've got a lot of different patterns and colors to play with. Now I have done my ribbon. This is the way I never do my ribbon, right? I usually secure the ends at the back and then tie a knot in the front. Today I decided to change it up. So there we go. And I am just going to get some adhesive on the back of this and attach it to my card. So this is a very, very simple card, as you can see. But by using these different patterns of designer series paper, it already looks pretty cool, right? And I could add some more layers behind if I wanted to. Hello, Terry. Terry from North Alabama is a demonstrator. Oh, Terry, you know all the good stuff, don't you? Awesome. It is awesome to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. By the way, there's an excellent join offer coming up right around the corner when the January 7th catalogs go live. You can join my team if you're in Canada, or Terry's team if you're in the US. And in addition to your $165 in product that you will get for $135, you can also choose to receive 2 packs of our Stampin' Right markers. So those come in color family packs. So you can get either the brights or the regals or the neutrals or the subtles, and you can choose 2 of them, which is a pretty fantastic deal. And that will be for free. Get those markers for free. So I have punched out with my Labeled with Love punch a little piece of basic white cardstock, and this is where I'm going to stamp my sentiment. Now, because the stamp I'm using is photopolymer, I'm going to use my Stampin' Pierce mat underneath. And I've got this lovely Make-A-Wish sentiment. There we go. Love it. And then I'm just going to use some dimensionals to pop this onto the card. So, what has everybody been doing over this fantastic and strange week? The week between Christmas and New Year's. It's got to be my favorite week of the year because nobody has expectations of me. There's chocolate everywhere. There's leftovers galore if you feel like cooking yourself up a meal. Everybody's kind of lazing around, watching movies, doing crafts. There's board games, there's puzzles, there's a little bit of socializing. It's just a freaking delight. Look at that. Make a wish. Okay, I feel like I need some embellishments on there. And I'm going to have to move my camera so I can reach them. Oh, they're way over on the other side of the desk. All right. Let's see here. You can stare at this gorgeous card while I figure out what embellishment I'm going to use. You moved some furniture around, Terry. Does that mean you are rearranging, like putting your house back together after taking down the Christmas tree? Or are you doing a pre-New Year's kind of reorganization? Ooh, these pearls would look really pretty. Iridescent pearls. Okay, that's the winner. I'm going to put on some iridescent pearls. And then I'm going to show you the full pack of this stunning paper. Okay, I'm going to start with a large pearl and put it there. And a smaller one and put it there. And then a little one up in this corner. Oh, incidentally, while we're at it, friends, let me grab out my Night of Navy blend. And using the brush tip, I can color some of these pearls and turn them into Night of Navy pearls. So I have got my white pearls on here, and they're beautiful, but I can also put blue pearls or any color that I like. There we go. Some blue and white. Ooh, that gives it a little bit of a different mood, doesn't it? All right. Now, I'm reminding myself not to forget for Stevie to come back and give away a card. But before we do that, I'm going to show you the rest of this gorgeous pack of paper. So got to maybe zoom out a little bit so we have some room. This is a 12 by 12 pack of paper. So here's the sheet that you saw me use today. And you saw me use both of these patterns today. And that is, of course, the Night of Navy. The other pattern of Night of Navy looks like this. And then we have the stripes on the back. And then in the pack, we have one more page of each of those patterns. And then we get to the Lost Lagoon and we have different patterns. So we've got these beautiful flowers and then this cool like diamond mosaic image. And then we've got more beautiful flowers, but this is a little bit different image. You can see the succulents and the leaves, it just looks different. And then more awesome diamonds. Okay, and then you have, again, 2 more pages of the Lost Lagoon. And then we're into the Old Olive. Okay, so we have got different floral image again. And we've got polka dots. Really nice. And beautiful flowers. And diagonal stripes. So you get a lot of different patterns and a lot of awesome colors in this pack of paper. So it is, as I said, it's available online. You can go to inkyfingers.ca/online to see all the online exclusives. And this paper, along with 2 other specialty packs that have been redesigned from previous releases, they are only available while supplies last. So do not wait. If you love them, like I love them, and really, why wouldn't you? Make sure that you grab them quickly before they're gone. Yeah, okay, so there is our beautiful card that we made today. We are going to give that away next week, so be sure to share the video and leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be putting this in the mail to you next week. But in the meantime, Stevie, will you come and tell me, please, tell all of us, who is the winner of last week's card? Tanya! Yay! Awesome! Way to go. Congratulations, Tanya. I'll be putting this in the mail to you. Aren't we all glad that the Canada Post strike is over and we can get the mail moving again? I sent out a lot of Christmas cards. I don't know about y'all. They'll probably be arriving sometime in February, but hey, you'll all be happy to get a wish from me anytime, right? Okay, let's have a look here. Oh, Terry, you gave a bedroom suite to your great niece. And then moved a big, oh my gosh, that is a lot. That is a busy day. I agree. And you must be a little bit ahead time-wise. It's 1:45 here now, but you must be ahead time-wise because to me it feels like the day is just beginning. That could be because I slept until 10. Anyway, thank you everyone so much for joining me today for Make It Monday. I will be back again next week to show you some more fabulous Stampin' Up! Products and some more lovely cards. I hope you'll join me then. And in the meantime, I hope that you find some time to get crafty yourself. Don't forget that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, my events calendar, all the current catalogs, and the sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.